Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to Microsoft Teams Essentials and you're not sure where everything is or how to get around, don't worry, you're not alone. To get started, first open Microsoft Teams on your computer or mobile device. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and sign in using your work or school account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Teams screen. Now let's walk through the basics. First, let's look at chat. This is where most of your everyday conversations happen. You can send one-on-one messages, create group chats, and share files. If you ever need to talk to someone quickly, chat is usually the first place you'll go. Next is the calendar. This is where all your meetings are organized. You can see upcoming meetings, schedule new ones, and join meetings with just one click. It's a simple way to stay on top of your schedule. When you join a meeting, you'll see the meeting controls at the top of the screen. From here, you can turn your camera and microphone on or off, share your screen, open the meeting chat, and view the list of participants. Everything you need during a call is right there. Let's move on to files. This is where files shared in chats or meetings are stored. You can open files directly in Teams, download them to your device, or share new files without switching apps. If you want to customize your experience, click your profile picture in the top right corner and open Settings. Here, you can change notification settings, check your camera and microphone, and adjust basic preferences to make Teams easier to use. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find chats, meetings, or people. Pin important chats so they stay at the top, and always test your camera and mic before joining a meeting. And that's it. That's how you find your way around Microsoft Teams Essentials, even if you're just getting started. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Microsoft Teams tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.